Alright folks, I got something brand new to do a review on. Something brand new to show you. And it's right here. What? Wrong item. Never lay what you're gonna review next to a banana. There you go. Right there. It says new and everything. So what we got here is Jimmy Dean toaster pop-ups. Sausage, egg, and cheese. Look at there. We're gonna cook them in the toaster. Alright. What did I do with that toaster? Alright folks, what we have right here is a toaster. It sits right here next to the coffee maker. Now, y'all know I'm counting calories, right? So, these little breakfast bad boys only have 230 calories per the serving. So, further ado, they come individually wrapped in the serving size. Now, I gotta make sure I can get this in and out of the toaster. I mean, that's awful small. I mean, no wonder it's only 230 calories. I mean, that thing is tiny. But since they went through the trouble to make it, I'm gonna go through the trouble to toast it and give it a good old tree out. And a review for y'all right now. Alright. It is toasting. We will see y'all in a second when it is done. And she is done. Now, let me try to get this out without burning myself. Alright, we'll talk about it in a second. Alright, so I got this little hot thing sitting right here on this paper plate in front of me right now. And the texture of it is kind of like a biscuit. It did get hot. It's tiny, but it is good. It's like a biscuit. Tastes like a biscuit. And, there's not a lot of filling on the inside. I mean, there's some sausage and egg, and I think some cheese in there. It is good, but the pocket is not packed full of egg and cheese and stuff like that. But look at there, my toaster got it perfect. Now your toaster may vary from mine, but it tastes like a cooked square biscuit with some sausage and egg and cheese in it. It's better than I thought it was going to be. But it's too small. It's too small for the toaster, really. It needs to be slightly taller. can't believe how incredibly delicious it is for such a tiny little thing. But for what it is pretty good. You might get about 6 of them in the box. $6 and some change. It's kind of, maybe, slightly overpriced, but I think overall it is good and it deserves a 2 thumbs up from me. I think there's a lot I could do with those in the future. Alright, folks, that is all I have for this review. So until the next time, you folks have a good one.